What's up everybody, Adam West here for Soulfly Sneakers, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Nike and Skepta collab. These just walked through the door about an hour ago. I haven't even opened the Nike packaging yet, so we're going to see the first reaction here. Now, see, we've got the Nike box here, pretty standard. I was expecting maybe sort of a limited edition special box, but that's not the case. Just open these up. You'll notice I'm wearing gloves here, that's because I've actually already sold these. Somebody picked these up on StockX this morning, so I'll just keep these nice. So there we have it. This is the Nike SK Shox TL in collaboration with Skepta. And you see we've got the black mesh here on the front end and the tongue. We've got the chromed Nike branding, which is very nice on both sides. And we've got the university red on the shocks here. I'll get this as close as I can to the camera, give you a good look. Now, the thing I like about Skepta's collabs is they tend to go for the more sort of slept on silhouettes. I think the last one was the Air Max Deluxe, which they did over in sort of iridescent, sort of copper and green, which is really nice. This is more sort of monochrome, black, with the red highlights at the bottom here. And I really like those chrome Nike ticks. So yeah, these are pretty hot. You can still pick these up in a lot of sizes. The bigger sizes are sold out. This is a UK 11, US 12, and these and sort of above are all gone, which is why I've managed to shift these so quickly. But I may well pick up another pair while they're still available, because they are very nice. So I'll just get the other one out, make sure that they're both there. You get the red laces as well, if you fancy going for the contrasting laces rather than the monochrome on the upper. I've never been a huge fan of the shocks personally. Just, I don't know, they look a bit clumsy to me. But well, of all of them, this is probably my favourite colourway. So yeah, these are out first thing tomorrow. If you want to check out the other shoes that we've got in stock, I will throw a link down below. Yeah, have a good day.